Okay, I am going to show you how to create a Google Doc, and then I will show you some of the different formatting features that you can use to spice up your Google Doc. So once I am logged into my Google Drive account, I'm going to go over here to the left where it says Create. If I click on that button, it brings up a drop-down menu. This drop-down menu has many different things that you can create using Google Drive, but today I want to create a document. I'm going to go ahead and click on that and let my document load. Once my document is loaded, there are a couple different things that I could do, but first I want to change the title of my document. Here at the top left corner, you can see it says Untitled Document. If I click on that, I am given the option to rename my document. Today, I just want to name it Title. I click on OK. And then up at the top, you can see the new name of your Google Doc. If you want to edit it, all you have to do, again, is click on it and change it. Once you've changed your title and you have everything ready to go, you might want to have a sentence or two to play around with. Here's my sentence. The cat chased the mouse that ate the cheese. If I go ahead and highlight that sentence, I'm going to be able to make changes to it. Where it says Arial, that is where you can change the font. Maybe I like that one. Maybe I want something a little bolder. That looks good. If I keep it highlighted and I click on where it says 11, I can change the size. Maybe I want it really big, or maybe I want it really small. By clicking those numbers, you are changing the size of the font. If I want to change the color, I just click on the A that is underlined, and I'm able to change the color of the font. Maybe I want purple. Red sounds good. In that A, if I click on the highlight function, I'll be able to change the background of the text. That's kind of hard to read, so I can change it. Now it's like a pale orange. Okay, back to basic black. As you can see, my text is aligned to the left side. If I highlight my text and click on the center align button, it will align the text in the center of the paper. If I click right next to it, I can align my sentences at the right. That means that every time I hit the enter button, I will start at the right side of the document. I want to put this back on the left side. Let's say you're writing a paper or creating a document that needs a list in it. There are two different ways that you can do lists in Google Docs. The first way is to create a numbered list. Over here you can see a button that has a 1, 2, and a 3. This will create a numbered list. If I click it, it starts the first numbered line. It always starts with 1. Every time I hit enter on the keyboard, it drops down to a new line and starts with the next number. If I want to get rid of my numbered list, all I need to do is highlight the text and click on the numbered list button again. Maybe instead of having a numbered list, I want to make a bulleted list. I can click over here where there are 3 dots and I can create a bulleted list. These are just some of the features that you can use to make any Google Doc a little more interesting. You can bring life to some boring story by making the font crazy colors and different sizes.
I hope this was helpful, and I hope it answered some questions you had about creating Google Docs.